Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be, will they leave the third party and come to you? Will they leave the third party and come to you? This is the question we are asking the spirits today. And please note that these third parties can be anything. Okay, it can be a person or their family or a job, career, finance, long distance. It can be anything. That the third party can be anything. So you have to ask the spirit like will they leave the third party and come to you or reconcile with you? So this is the question we are asking the spirit. Okay, so we have three piles here. First pile is blue seashell, second one yellow seashell, third one red seashell. So you can choose any pile according to your intuition. And if you need more time, you can pause the video and you can select the pile. Try to meditate on the pile, think about your person, and you can select the pile. You can choose more than one pile also. If you have any confusion with two different people, you can choose the two different piles. Okay, so please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. If you want any personal reading, you can reach out to me. My details are given below, and you can book a private reading for the advice or some guidance. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos with any of your friends or relatives, whoever needs the guidance. Okay, and without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Whoever chose this blue seashell, this reading is for you. Will your person leave the third party and come to you? Will your person leave the third party and come to you? Angels and spirits, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us the answer. Will they leave the third party and come to my viewers? Will they reconcile or reconnect? Will they leave the third party and come to my viewer? Okay, first is Queen of Swords, then next is Eight of Swords, the Emperor, Seven of Cups, and bottom of the deck, the Lovers. Okay, I will keep like this. Hope you can see all the cards. Okay, so your person strongly, I feel that they might be Aries or they might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or they can be Gemini also, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. These are all the signs I can see here. Okay, so they are into the power. They are in Queen of Swords energy. Okay, they might be single mom or single dad. Okay, whomever you are asking about. Okay, so they are into their power, and they are straightforward, little bit rude, harsh. Okay, or they might be dealing with this kind of a person. Okay, so they are with the person who are like this. Okay, this can be third party, but at the same time this person is blindfolded. They are stuck into a situation where they are not able to come out. Okay, and they are a little bit egotistical and narcissistic also, some of you I'm saying. So this person doesn't want to admit their mistake, or they don't want to be vulnerable, because they want to be very strong and dominant in any connection for that matter. So this person doesn't want to leave the other person and come back to you, admitting they are wrong, they left you and chose somebody else. Okay, even though they know that they did a mistake, but they are not accepting it as it is. Okay, and that too they are dealing with a person who is also very very strong, and they that other partner is also a little bit tough, quarrelsome, or creating conflicts, complications. Okay, so they are blindfolded between you and the other person. They don't know whom to choose, and also I can see there is a blockage here. Maybe your person blocked you, or you blocked the other person. Okay, so there is a blockage also, they don't know what you are thinking and what you are feeling. And for some of you there is a father figure who is controlling them. Okay, so for them there is this can be family. For many of you I feel that this is a family actually. Okay, queen is there, the emperor is there, so I feel that their mother and father, or mother figure or father figure, they are controlling them. Okay, so they are sitting next to them, and they are brainwashing. They are saying that no, no, you cannot meet this girl or boy, so you cannot go ahead, they are not of our caste. Okay, the father figure is very very strong, I can feel here. Okay, they are saying that that girl or a boy, they are not of our caste or religion, or not of our status, so you cannot. And your person is also having lot of temptations, or lot of confusion, because they have many choices. They can choose any person. Okay, so they have many choices, so they are comparing whether this is good for me or this is good for me. They are having so many choices, so they are also dealing with that. I mean, they are thinking monetary wise, or status wise, or any benefit they are getting. So they are thinking, they are into a dark energy, they are hallucinating, they are thinking, daydreaming. Okay, so they don't know whom to choose. And from your side there is a blockage. Okay, you blocked them or they blocked you, so there is a blockage from your side. Okay, so this is the energy I can feel from this person. But most important thing is they love you so much, and they feel that this is divinely connected, and you are their soulmate. That is the major thing and main part of this reading. The major energy is they think that you are their soulmate, and God is encouraging you to be in their life, or they have given you as a gift to them. And you both are connected like Adam and Eve, and angels are guiding this, protecting this connection. That's what they feel. And you are twin flames. Sometime for some of you, you feel like you are twin flames, or you are soulmates. Okay, so they have very very strong bond with you, I can see that. Okay, this is a soul bond, I can say. But still this person is coming into their family's words, and they are not able to choose you. Now let's see whether this person will choose you, will come back to you or not. Please, spirits, please give us some guidance. Will this person leave the third party and choose my viewer? Whether this person will choose the viewer and leave the third party? Please give us some guidance and clarity. One card of summation, spirit. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, justice. So definitely this person want to give you justice in this connection, and they know that you both are very strong lovers, and they have very strong emotions and feelings towards you. So definitely they want to give justice to this connection. And also this is kind of a marriage. Okay, justice card is also, in other words, it is kind of a marriage card, or court marriage. Okay, they want to marry you in the legally, and they want to give balance to this connection. And they want to show the society that you are their partner. So definitely they want to take a move. Maybe if they are stuck into the marriage, for some of you I'm saying, maximum most of the people, you have the problem with their family. Okay, mother and father, their family. But some of you, this person is married to a lady, as I already told you, who is very strong. Okay, so they want to release that other person, they want to divorce the other person, and they want to come to you, because justice is also the legal battles. Okay, So many of you, it will be definitely, it is a strong potential of showing a marriage. Okay, so for all of you, the outcome is very very positive. Definitely this person wants to give you the justice and they want to come back to you. And let's pull some messages from your person. I have to change these messages. Actually, many of you are commenting these messages are repeating. So I will change the messages. Now I'm getting enough time. I will do that. Okay. So let me pull their messages for you so that you can understand, okay, how they are feeling. Okay, that's all. Two more cards fell down. You are mine forever. Okay, so they are saying you are mine forever. So they love you so much. I wonder if you are happy without me. Because they are not happy, they are asking you whether you are happy. I'm ready to fight for you. So definitely the justice card and this matches. Thank you for the warm feelings you gave. Okay, so they are remembering the past which you have given a warm feeling. Children are affecting this connection. So maybe, as I told you, they have children also. They are married and they have children. I have thought of taking a trip with you. So surely they want to take a trip with you. Are you happy without me? So they are asking twice. That means they are not at all happy and they are asking me, I mean asking you whether you are happy or not. Engagement. So definitely, as I told you, the justice card is there. They want to engage, do the engagement with you and they want to marry you. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please. Whoever chose this yellow seashell, this reading is for you. Will they leave the third party and come to you? Will they leave the third party and come to you? Okay, I didn't want to take it, but it popped out. Will they leave the third party and come to you? Will they leave the third party and come to you? Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they leave the third party and come to you? Will they leave the third party and come to you? Okay. Okay, same card. Okay. Okay. Then we have the Temperance. Okay. So I see here your person might be Aquarius or Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, then Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio. These are all the signs I can see here. So your person is thinking that you are very far away from them. Maybe some of you, this is a long distance relationship and they are very far away from you, and they are feeling that this distance is a third party for this person especially. There is no other person in their life, but they feel that this distance or their job is affecting this connection. Okay, so they have a little bit of hope that you can reconcile and you can have the balance in this connection, but they are blindfolded. They don't know what to do. You blocked them, they blocked you. Something happened between both of you. Okay, so you both blocked each other, so no communication, no contact. You both don't know, I mean, how to communicate, how you both are feeling towards each other. You don't know how they are feeling, they don't know how you are feeling. Okay, there is some miscommunication, misunderstanding. Okay, maybe there are some fights between you, and so that is the reason they are not able to come towards you or communicate with you. And definitely they see you as a star or a celebrity, so they have a very high regards towards you. They feel that you can have many people in your life, any person, because you are a star or a celebrity, you are a famous person, so they feel like that. Okay, and for some of you, definitely they have a father who is stopping this connection. Okay, the father or a father figure in their life, they are stopping this connection. Or for some of you it can be a old friend also. Okay, so definitely somebody is interfering in this connection and they are spoiling it. Okay, so they are teaching your person different things about you, or misguiding them. Okay, and for some of you I can see this person himself or herself is a very strong person. They are egotistical. Once you block them, they got offended and they feel that why should I unblock that person. Okay, so maybe they are into a high post, high position, or they are highly respected in the society, or they are a little bit older than you. Okay, there might be some age difference, maybe 3 to 5 years of age difference is there. So this person feels that okay, so you blocked them, so they don't want to come towards you. They feel that it will be kind of a defeat for them. They don't want to be vulnerable, they don't want to show their true feelings to you. Okay, so now what they are doing, so they know that you are their soulmate, they feel that you are a soulmate, and they know there is a reason or a purpose that you both met each other. They know something is there, something is divinely guided or connected in this connection. So now they are starting to manifest you back. Okay, they are trying to manifest, they are maybe doing the candle magics, or they are following law of attraction. They are doing so many things to get you back in their life, but directly they are not doing anything. They feel that there is no balance in this connection. Maybe one person is giving more, other person is giving less. So they want to have a balance in this connection. First of all, they want to have a peace in this connection. They don't want any fights, any they don't want any miscommunication or any harsh words or petty fights. Okay, so they want peace in this connection. They want to have a pleasant situation when you both talk, and they want to have at least friendship among you. Okay, so they don't want this enmity between you. At least they want some kind of a friendly relationship with between both of you. Now let's ask the spirits, will they come back to you? Will they leave the third party and come back to my uh, I'm not taking because I didn't shuffle. Okay, so will they come back to my viewer leaving the third party? Will they come back to my viewer? Will they come back to my viewer leaving the third party? Will they come back to my viewer leaving the third party? Let's see. Okay, the Hierophant. Okay, so definitely they want to come towards you, and they want to the Hierophant is also as a marriage card. Okay, so they want to come to you. Definitely they will communicate with you maybe in the month of August, I feel. So definitely they want to come towards you, they want to offer a stable connection. Okay, this is a Taurus card. So that means they definitely they want to come towards you, and they will leave the third party and come to you, and they want to marry you actually. So as I told you already, there is nobody in their life. Okay, so they have this job, long distance, or their father figure. Okay, so definitely they will take their own decision. They will take their listen to their gut feeling or intuition. And because the Hierophant is very intellectual card and spiritual card. Okay, so this person is listening to their inner voice. They are maybe meditating, and they are very spiritual, so they know what to do. So now they want to leave the third party and they want to come to you. They might communicate with you in the month of August. Okay, and definitely they have a stable feelings for you. They want to marry you. Okay, they will, if at all they are coming, they will definitely give you a stable commitment. They will not come with empty hands. Okay, that much you can be assured. So they have a very stable feelings for you. Definitely they will come with a stable offer. So now let's see what are their messages for you. What are their messages for my pile 2? What are their messages for my pile 2? What are their messages for my pile 2? Okay, that's all. I cannot be with you when you need me. Okay, that's why when you needed them, then they were not with you, so that they remember and they are regretting. Engagement, definitely they want to have do the engagement with you. Okay, or they might have engaged with somebody else, and they are that is the reason they are not they were not with you earlier. I know I messed up everything. Okay, they know they have done the mistake, but because of their ego and pride, they're not telling you. Twin flame. So definitely the temperance is also there. So they feel that this is a twin flame connection. You are like a mirror to me, and it scares me. Okay, same thing. Twin flames only. Okay, so you are mirroring each other. That scares them. I need more time to heal myself. Maybe their past is haunting them and they need more time to heal themselves. I didn't know how to fix this because they don't know like they have done something in the past and they don't know how to fix it. I'm not the right person. They are in a like very sad situation and they feel that they are not the right person for you. Let's give a second chance to this connection. See, definitely that is the reason they want to come with a stable offer. After every storm comes sunshine, please wait for me. Okay, so they are asking you to wait for them and give them some time to heal. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this red seashell, this reading is for you. Will they leave the third party and come to you? Will they leave the third party and come to you? Will they leave the third party and come to you? Will they leave the third party and come to you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Eight of Wands. Six of Wands, Six of Swords. Seven of Cups. Four of Swords. The Star. Okay, all these three piles I can see that you don't have any third party, it's only the distance. Okay, so I feel for this person also they are pretty much single and they don't have anybody in their life, and they have many options actually, so they don't know whom to choose, what to choose, they are confused. Okay, and this is definitely a long distance relationship and they are not able to come towards you because of maybe corona or some other difficulties. Okay, so this is the third party actually, this long distance or their job whatever is there, so this is the third party for you. So if they want to come to you, they have to cross the ocean, they have to cross the rivers and they have to come to you. So that is the major long distance. That's the reason they are not able to come towards you, but they have a very warm feelings for you. They see you as a celebrity or a star. Okay, they have a hope that this connection will heal and this you both will be together. They know that. Okay, they have that hope and they see you as a very famous person and very beautiful, attractive, and you have so many options. You can choose anybody from your fans. Okay, that's what they feel. You have many options to choose, and even they have many options to choose, and they are confused for this pile especially. I feel that you both are very young people and you both know each other, maybe colleagues or classmates or college mates. You both know each other. Okay, so for a long time I feel, I mean, so definitely this person want to communicate because the Eight of Wands is there. So surely you can expect the communication in the month of August. Okay, or you can expect in the month of June also, June, July, August. Okay, any month. For some of you it can be April also. So you can expect the communications from this person. They are waiting actually, they are desperate to talk to you. They are desperate to communicate with you and clarify, and they are planning to take you with them. Okay, this is the long distance, and they want to take you with them, and they want to move to calmer waters. Okay, so they are right now you are having some conflicts or misunderstandings, so they want to communicate with you, they want to talk to you, and they want to take you to the calmer waters or their place. Okay, they are basically they want to come to you to take you with them. Okay, that's what they are feeling. And for some of you, maybe you are asking about your spouse, and maybe you are waiting for them to come to you and take you. Maybe you have a kid also, both of you, maybe a girl child. Okay, so they want to end this conflict, and they want to take you along with them. And definitely they are praying, actually they are praying to god, that god or universe, they want to they don't know how to communicate with you or contact you, how to resolve this issue. So what they are doing, they are praying god. Okay, and because they cannot leave their job and come to you, they have lot of responsibilities or lot of fears or lot of threats in their life, so they can't leave their job. So they are praying god that show us, show me some solution, show me, give me some financial abundance so that I can bring my family to me. Or for some of you, they maybe you told them not to work there or not to go there, or you maybe you said that you work here only, you we both can be together, like that you told, but this person didn't listen and they went away, went far away. So this can be the situation. So they are praying god to give a solution, give us some clarity. So they are praying god, and they want you to be back in their life. That's what they are praying god. Okay, so let's pull one card. Will they leave the third party and come to my viewers? Will they leave the third party and come to my viewers? Will they reconcile leaving the third party? Will they reconcile with my viewer leaving the third party? Okay, the moon. So this person definitely will not leave their job or whatever the third party is, because there are a lot of secrets, or their mother is involved in this connection. Okay, I can see that. So maybe mother is not accepting this connection, so they will not leave and come back to you, but they will definitely find out a solution, because the four of swords is there. That means they are praying god, they are definitely doing the prayers so that you can both be together. But definitely they will communicate whatever it is. Okay, so if they feel that their mother is stopping them, definitely they will tell you, because right now there are many secrets involved in this connection which are not clear to you. The moon card. Okay, but definitely this person will not leave their job for you, or will not leave their family for you and come back to you. But there is a high chance, a 90% chance of communication, so that they can give you some clarity. So let's pull some messages from this person. Let's pull some messages from this person. Let's pull some messages from this person. Okay, we have enough cards. I'm stuck now, please move on. So definitely this person, as I told you, the moon card is there, so they are not telling you the truth, they are stuck somewhere. Okay, so they are asking you to move on. I am starting to understand our connection. Maybe earlier they didn't understand what is this connection, but now they are starting to understand. Inner battle. Okay, definitely they have some complex, inferiority complex, or self worth issues. That is why they are having inner battle. I wish I had treated you better. Now they are repenting, regretting that they didn't treat you better. Fear of commitment. Yeah, many people will have this fear of commitment. They don't want to commit, they want their freedom, and they want enjoyment. I wonder if you're happy without me, because they are not happy without you. They are asking if you are happy without them. There is so much I want to say to you, definitely, because they kept so many secrets. Now they want to reveal it, they want to communicate with you, and they want to say everything to you. At least they'll give some clarity. Okay, so that's all I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.